I started making tools because I really admired the people that started making hacking tools like 20 years ago, 15 years ago, and they created the path to this community that we are enjoying today. The hacking community would not have been the same if some very talented people just shared their very creative ideas. For example, think of Nmap and Metasploit. It opened the way for people to learn, to come into cybersecurity, and not only, maybe even IT and programming, by interacting with systems. And imagine this, if you didn't have Nmap and Metasploit, when you don't know so much about computers and cybersecurity, to just interact with something and see how it feels like, how can I do a port scan, what are the results, how do I deliver an exploit, how do I slap an exploit in a weak service and I get a reverse shell, how do I create a malware, like a file that's malicious, that if someone runs it, it will give me access to his computer. If there was no tools like this, then it would be almost mandatory to have studies in information technology and computer engineering, software engineering, to be able to understand these concepts. Someone would still have to follow this path, the dark side, he would have to be a Sith. It would be really complicated.